Hi, Mandy. I noticed that in your study, the split between the sample was pretty severe. There were so many more men than women. So I was wondering if outliers were removed or maybe missing data was a problem. So we know that in research, uneven sample sizes are pretty common, but they can cause problems. So we can have unequal variances between the samples, which can affect the assumption of equal variances. Having both unequal sample sizes and variances can dramatically affect the statistical power and type 1 error rates. We don't need equally sided groups to calculate accurate statistics because we have the software like our lovely SPSS that helps us. So fortunately, there are tests that can deal with the problem. So I'll name some of the tests. The tests that deal with the unequal sample sizes and unequal variances are Dunnett's T3 or Dunnett's C, Games Howell pairwise comparison test, Tamhani's and Welch's test. And we've seen some of these as we've been running our analyses. Some tests are set up specifically to deal with the problem of unequal sample sizes and equal variances, and that's the Dunnett's T3 or the Dunnett's C. They can be used for pairwise comparisons. Games Howell pairwise comparison test. It's an extension of the two-key Kramer test to handle the unequal variances. Tamhani's T2, Welch's test for unequal variances can be used. Now, for unequal sample sizes that have equal variance, post hoc tests are used, and we've been doing a lot of those, and one of the ones that we're getting pretty familiar with is Bonferroni, and a few of the others are the Dunnett's test and the two-key Kramer test. So I don't know in your study if those tests were done, any of those tests were done, but with the unequal sample size, like I just kind of wonder about the results and how valid they might be. Okay, thank you.